Hello, my name is Stacy and I am from Cape Town, South Africa. I've recently graduated from Stellenbosch University with a bachelor's degree in psychology and I'm currently pursuing my honors in psychology. I'm really passionate about understanding people and helping them grow. This is what led me both to psychology and teaching. I really enjoy creating a supportive, positive, and engaging environment where students feel comfortable learning and expressing themselves. I've experienced tutoring students between the ages of 13 and 16, and I found this experience very rewarding since I also got to work with students with dyslexia. From this experience, I've learned patience and strong communication skills. I love helping students build their confidence in English, and I'm really excited to be a part of your learning journey.